What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. One more project completed. And I'm going to walk you through some of the items that we completed on this beautiful space that we created for our wonderful client. Now it's not completed. We still need to do the landscaping, which that will be phase number 2. But for now, let's talk about this nice Bocce Ball Court. It's been one of my favorite ones that we have built because we install putting green instead of DG or oyster shell. Look at this, it's very nice. It's 8 by 40. That's the measurement that we were able to fit in this particular yard. And then for the framing, it's simple. It's just Redwood, goes all the way around. And of course, since we have some pets around, we have about 6 inches of drain rack underneath. So when they come and do their thing, everything just drains. And the Bocce Ball Court, as beautiful as it looks, was around $16,000. Okay, now let's talk about the paving, the flat work. So as you can see on these videos, we had a big problem. The landscape was very old. We had this wooden bridge that I'm sure when they built it, it looked wonderful, but now it doesn't look good at all. It didn't look good at all. So the client was having a huge problem. They couldn't use the yard. It was messy. They didn't have any space to set any chairs, to have guests. So we had a big problem. Then we come in and I said, okay, so let's make this space inviting for everybody. For the client, if they're inside, they look outside, they want to come outside and enjoy this beautiful weather like today, right? One little thing that I want to share with you about the pavers is that this is the first time that we install the type of pavers that it was like a fusion thing that happened between Belgar and Calstone. Seems like they became only one brand. So we're in January 25, and I believe this just happened a couple months ago last year. So now you go to your supplier and you're gonna see only one brand. No more Belgar or Calstone, it's only one. So the type of pavers, the new name that they came out with, it's Metropolitan, and the color is Catalina Grana. And as always, we have a nice border going all the way around the entire perimeter. We like that a lot. It really sets the difference between like the walkway that we have on that side and the planting area. Now, we already had these 2 trees, this guy right here, and then this other guy right here. And when we got our grades, our levels, we noticed that they were a little bit higher than what we need them to be, but we didn't want to try and sink him down. What we ended up doing is creating something nice around to retain the soil, something a little bit more soft, so we can have a little bit of contrast between the pavers and the planters. Now eventually, when we do the planting, this place is going to look a lot better. The cost for the pavers that included everything, getting rid of all the creek and the rocks and excavating and everything, we were right around $40,000. Now the fire pit, look at this bad boy. It's daylight, so I'm not gonna fire it up. It's not gonna make any sense. Now this is pre-made. The customer bought it online. It's a very good quality. Now what we had to do to get this guy going, we had to install 100 linear feet of polypipe for our gas line. That included trenching and having a plumbers to come over and do the whole installation. It's a nice, decent size to have probably 6 to 8 people to keep your guests nice and warm. And the gas line installation and installing this guy right in here was around $6,000. And last but not least, we built this nice double face fence for our client, because this is where they're gonna be keeping the trash cans and they didn't want to see them. I don't blame them. We actually get this a lot, creating these enclosements for trash cans. I think it's a great idea. Screens the trash cans, keeps the area nice and clean and tidy. So now the fencing, the enclosure that you have right in here was around $6,000, labor and materials included. And the entire cost for everything that we just talked about was $69,000. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. As always, please follow and like us on Facebook and Instagram. You can send us your questions through our email, which is info@thirdheavenlandscape.com. Also, you can visit our website, which is thirdheavenlandscape.com. We have a lot of information there, even some bulk prices for you. But if you have some special project, please give us a call or a text. Peace.